How to make and share a Google Sheet as editable. So if you want to make and share a Google Sheet as editable, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply go with your browser and you need to go with the top right, which has that Google Apps, and then you need to go with Sheets. Make sure to log into your account on your Sheets. Now you just need to simply go with a blank spreadsheet, or you can go with an existing spreadsheet. And once here, you can simply write anything that you're comfortable with, do some basic things, and then you can have a share option on the top right. So now you will have this private to only me. But if you want to share this Google Sheet as editable to your friends or to others, then what you can do is simply go with the drop down, which is on the right side, and then you can copy the link or just click on share. And here you need to name before sharing. So I'll just simply name it as a demo spreadsheet and then go with save. And you'll have this kind of interface. You can add people. So you can add the mail address right here. And before that, make sure to go with the restricted option and then go with anyone with the link. And once you've done that, you need to go with the right side again and you can edit that if the other person is only the viewer or commenter or editor. So you can simply go with editor, by which the other person will be able to edit that Google Sheet. And once you set it as the editor, you need to enter the person's name. For example, I'll just simply go with the mail address and you can also write some message and go with send. That's it. The access has been updated. Now you can do any changes on this slide, then on your friend's device also it will be changed. Or there's also another way. What you can do is just simply go back and here you will have your saved sheet, right? So you can simply go with the right side which has that three dots and from here also you can share it. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.